Publius Ovidius Naso, Amores, Book 1, Episode 7. Cum bene surrexit versu nova pagina primo, at tenuat nervos, proximus ille meos, nec mihi materi est numeris levioribus apta, aut puer aut longas, compta puella comas. As Ovid continues discussing his poetic craft, we will first give a rough translation and then look more closely at the grammar. When a new page, nova pagina, has risen up well with its first verse, the second one, proximus illa, the one that follows, weakens or saps my strength, nervos meos. Nor do I have enough material, or nor do I have material that is suited, apta, for lighter meters. Either a boy or a girl who has been coiffed with her long tresses. We have then the subject, nova pagina, in the feminine singular and nominative. How do we know this is nominative instead of ablative? When we scan the line, we find that these two final vowels are short, and that can only be nominative since pagina is a first declension noun. Cum with the indicative is parenthetical or circumstantial. When a new page has risen up, surrexit is from the third conjugation verb surgo, surgere. When it has risen up well, it's gotten off to a good start, where supremo, in its first verse, this is masculine, singular, and ablative. Then the one that follows, proximus illa, the next one, and this is masculine because it's referring to versu. That next one, attenuat, it makes weak. This is from the first conjugation verb, attenuo, attenuare, and its object is nervos. Nervos is modified by meos. Both of them are masculine plural and accusative. Attenuare here is related to the adjective tenuous, which means thin, slim, or slight. Then in the second couplet, we have the subject materia, which is feminine, singular, and nominative. There's an elision here to note. So, nor is my material, my subject matter, mihi materia est, suitable, apta, numeris levioribus. This is masculine, plural, and dative, an indirect object with the adjective aptus aum, and numerus often stands for the meter of a poem. This is a comparative adjective, levioribus, nor is my material, nor do I have content or subject matter suited, apta, to lighter meters, that is, to couplets. He's saying, I really have the strength only for hexameter. I don't have a subject for something simpler. And then in the final line of this section, he has two appositives. For materia, Ovid has the appositives puer and puella. So notice that for apposition, the agreement must be in case only. That's why each one of these is nominative. They don't have to agree in gender or number. Materia is feminine, puella is feminine coincidentally, but puer is masculine, and yet these two are in apposition. I don't have either a boy as my subject matter, or maybe a girl who is compta. Now, compta is an adjective. It's a participle from the verb como comere, the fourth principal part of which is comptus aum. But we can see that even though the verb is not deponent, the participle compta is taking an object, namely komos, a feminine plural accusative object, itself modified by longos. How do we explain this? Well, compta is, perhaps surprisingly, middle voice. Middle voice, it's a middle participle. These are not uncommon in Virgil, Ovid, Lucretius, and other poets, although they are quite rare in prose.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the lesson, please press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment.